Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix translation stack in DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need to cancel and retry, and that's the fastest fix and it's a good fix for the issue. Okay, so actually guys, just go ahead and tap cancel if available, okay, and repass your text and translate again. Okay, so just copy it and paste it before tapping on cancel, or just retype it, or just reopen the app. So you will need to close and open the app and try again. Okay, how so? You'll need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone, then just swipe up the app completely, and that way you will close it from the recent apps, wait a few seconds and open it. So now just retry. So many times it's just a temporary freeze. And also guys, I really advise to shorten your text, and that's a very common cause. So if your text is too long, DeepL may hang instead of showing an error. Okay, so the fix is to split the text into smaller parts and translate the paragraph by paragraph. Okay, also guys, they really want you to check your internet stability. How so? You'll need just to go ahead right here and then just switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Avoid weak or unstable connections. Okay, even small drops can cause infinite loading. And also you can go and use or try your connection or your internet on another app, like trying to watch a video on YouTube, reel on Instagram. Even you can just go and send a message on WhatsApp and see if it sends. Okay, and also guys, for the VPN proxy users, you will need to disable them. Okay, so just disable VPN apps, remove the proxy settings, so these can cause requests to hang. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.